Hi everybody, today is day 28 of my 30-30 challenge, and today I'm here in Maple Beach. The question is about the investor tours. Yes, we do investor tours every month, and we bring in groups of people and we visit the area. We have talks with the lawyer, property manager. We learn about insurance. We learn about how to make money off of property investment in the Dominican Republic. And we're here today in the site of Maple Beach. We have a group of about 60 people. There's a lot of them walking around right now doing their lives. We are getting ready to walk to the beach. So I may have to do day 28 in a couple of pieces or figure out some way to edit, because I have never edited them. But this is just one part of our tour where we're visiting the model condo. We're seeing the progress of the construction. We're getting ready to walk over to the beach club, and just a beautiful, beautiful April day here in the Dominican Republic. So if you're interested in coming on the May or June or July tour or any tour, we're doing them every month. I will put the link down in the comments. Some of the dates have not been established yet, but if you keep in touch with us, we can let you know about future tours. Generally, it's a long weekend. So you arrive on Thursday. There's a Thursday reception, and then there's a conference on the morning of Friday, tours Friday afternoon to the projects that we're presenting. And then it's Saturday, an area tour all around the area, furniture stores, shopping. We also go to Cap Cana, see the beautiful community of Cap Cana, and just get to know the area a little bit. So it's a fun time. And yeah, this is actually our biggest tour yet with 60 people. It's too many. The bus got stuck. Well, it didn't really get stuck, but it's a big, big, big bus, and we have to take care of that. So we may have to, I don't know what we're gonna have to do, but so far so good. And stay tuned for the next capítulo of our 30-30. I'm gonna get Tony to do the 30-30. I'm gonna get everybody doing 30-30. So be aware that we're gonna see the social media flooded with 30-30s. Starting today, everybody's gonna be like, this is day 1, but I am on day 28. So almost wrapping up. Thank you guys. I think I'm gonna continue though. I got plans. Love you guys. We'll be in touch.